Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to change the default web browser on an iPhone or iPad in iOS. Remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe if the video helps. Let's get into the method. To change your default web browser in iOS, open the Settings app first and then scroll down and either select Safari or the web browser that you want to be set as the default. They should all have the same option on the next page, and this is called Default Browser App. Tap on this and then you can choose the browser you want to be default on the list. And so that is how to change the default web browser on an iPhone or iPad in iOS. Click the card on screen now to watch a video of mine showing you 10 easy ways to speed up your iPhone or iPad. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.